Yo, what's up? So I know it's been a while since I've been on the YouTube channel. Kind of been busy with work and whatnot, trying to get caught up on everything. Still been racing, but we finally have a new build going on. It is my 2024/2025 TCB Xf-24, going straight out of the crate. We got the motor all done up on it, so we'll be throwing that in also. And we're kind of going to be doing I'm going to do like an uncrating assembly of the chassis, and then we're going to also throw the motor in it, fire it up. We're going to do some dyno runs, see what it runs power wise, torque wise, make sure everything's running good, because it is going to be it's actually a Daytona 190. Did a big bore kit on it and also a stroker crank, so it comes out to overall it's a 225cc setup. Ported head, so on and so forth, heavy duty clutch kit in it, so it should be a pretty stout little motor. But here is the bike before we go getting into tearing it all down. So went with the red frame. I do also have new graphics. The forks I had revalved as well. Have a Alka shock to throw on the rear of it, and also some fresh tires. Wound up throwing a street tire on the rear to run it on the little dyno we have over here. This is brand new with Pt.1 mods.
What's up, guys?
He's the one that built the motor for this thing. So this is it right here. Got the nice billet covers on there. Brandon also powder coated the head cover and as well as the stator cover for it. Looks pretty nice. So yep, that's pretty much everything. So we'll get into uncrating the bike, get it on the stand, and start assembling the chassis up. So should be pretty sick.